Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Before we begin, I want to thank all of y'all for all your thoughts and prayers. Recently, I lost my great aunt Lucrece, aka Aunt Boo. She was my grandmother's sister. She had a good life. She was 95, and I love and miss her dearly. Again, thank you, my friends. Well, today I'm not going to do any cooking or baking. I'm going to do a review on Michele syrup I received for Christmas. It's one of my Christmas gifts. And about Michele syrup, her name is Michele Hoskins, the black-owned business, the first African-American woman to make syrup. And not only you can serve it for breakfast, but you can cook with it and bake with it. This one is the maple cream. Everybody's been talking about Michele syrup, and I'm very excited to try it. I got some waffles I'm going to cook, so I'm going to get those going, and then we'll give them a taste. All right, my friends, I got all my waffles together, and I added some butter. So I'm going to pour the maple syrup. That looks good. All right, that's good. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Spread my butter a little bit. Look at that. Have a bite. Michele, my soul sister, that syrup is incredible. It tastes of maple. It has a great balance of sweetness. This is my new favorite syrup. I love it. And I'll definitely try the butter pecan and the honey cream. I'm going to cut me up another one. This is good. Yum-o. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it a 10. Super duper delicious. You can purchase Michele syrup on Amazon or some of your local grocery store. And I also put a website to Michele syrup where you can purchase it. I definitely recommend this. And I want to thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Let's eat, and much love.